Another insane question. Biomom sent a letter stating that stepdaughter will not be allowed in our home until we remove all baby gates that we put up for our 13-month-old. The letter states that they are an impediment to her moving freely in the home and she cannot function with her manicure. We have 5 gates, including one outside on our deck. Obviously, we could replace them with ones that are easier for her to use, but they were $120 each, and replacing them before Christmas isn't financially feasible. We don't want to miss the holidays with her over something so trivial, but we can't just remove them because that would be a safety hazard for our baby. Does she have a leg to stand on? We want to meet her in the middle, but she isn't hearing it. Hi, my name is Billy Tarasio. I'm an Arizona family law attorney, and this is one of the most asinine things I have ever heard a parent pull. Honestly, in my almost 20 years as a family law attorney, this is absolutely asinine. You cannot withhold a child from their parents' parenting time because they have baby gates up that are hard for your 15-year-old to use, right? Did they say 15-year-old? I don't actually even know how old the stepdaughter is.
Are you sick and tired of...
In the comments, we find out that a lawyer actually sent this letter on behalf of Biomom. That's insane to me because we have duties and obligations as lawyers, and there's just no legal basis at all for this letter. So if you came in to see me, I would recommend that you enforce your parenting plan. Period. End of story. This isn't something that you can work out, especially not with mom. I would talk to the stepdaughter about it. What's going on? Why are you having a hard time with these gates? Like, sometimes baby gates can be hard. How do we work through this? But no legal leg to stand on at all. Such a ridiculous request. And if she withholds for Christmas, then I would highly consider a contempt of court action with a request for makeup time, makeup holiday time, because it's just not okay.